Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Irish Aqeela binti Rohaizad. I would like to tell you about the story of the Emperor's Nightingale. The Emperor of China lived in a beautiful palace with a large forest all around it. He liked to read books people wrote about his palace. One day, the Emperor of China gets a new book about his palace and he reads it. "What's this, a nightingale in my forest?" said the Emperor. The Emperor is angry because he didn't know about it. He tells his men to go into the forest to find the nightingale. As they are walking in the forest, they suddenly hear a beautiful song. "There is it. It is sitting in the tree," said one of the men. They take the nightingale to the Emperor and it sings for him. He loved the nightingale's song and asked it to stay and sing for him every day. One day, he gets a mechanical nightingale from the Emperor of Japan. Everyone loved the new nightingale because it can sing and it got diamonds on it too. The real nightingale hasn't got diamonds on it. It is sad and lives. Many years go by. The Emperor is happy with the mechanical nightingale, but one day it stops singing. The Emperor is very sad and becomes ill. The real nightingale hears about the Emperor and goes to the palace to sing to him. The Emperor is very happy to see the nightingale again. Thanks for watching. Bye.